Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now we have come to Pythagoras Theorem. So Pythagoras Theorem, let us know how to prove. Statement is also important. Sometimes they can ask you to state and prove. So in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. You are aware of this. Either you can draw the picture like which I have shown here or this one. Both will say you the same. Given ABC is a triangle and angle B is right angle, we have to prove this particular thing. Now let us go to construction. After given to prove, the third one is construction. So I am going to draw BD perpendicular to AC. BD perpendicular to AC. Now let us come to proof. So under proof, now I will take the triangle ADB, this smaller one. In triangle ADB and triangle bigger one and triangle ABC. If you want, you can draw a simple diagram here so that it will be easy for you to prove. D is the 90 degree and in the bigger one B is 90 degree. In both of them A is the common, so put it accordingly. What we have, the first one ADB, so B comes here, ABC, C comes here. This will make the whole thing more clear. So now I shall put ADB is equal to ABC, which is 90 degree. And also angle A and angle A are common here. So I can say angle A is equal to angle A, which is common here. Which is the common. Therefore, by AA similarity, I can prove the AA similarity. We can easily prove the similarity of these two triangles now. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarity. By AA similarity, and of course their corresponding sides will be equal. So we have drawn the small pictures here. It will make us easy to go with it. AD by AB is equal to BD and BC. So you can even put DB by BC, which is AB by AC. So AB and AB, which all they are common, we pick them together now. That will help us to go further. So I just take AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. Now by cross multiplication, we can easily proceed. So I have just chosen these two. Now cross multiply. So we get AD into AC is nothing but AB whole square. I just call it as my equation number 1. Now similarly, we take another two triangles and we try to prove them. So now in triangle, which one? The last one, which is at the bottom. In triangle CDB and triangle CBA, I just draw two once again, CDB and CBA. Here D is 90 degree, B is 90 degree, C is common in both the cases. Then what I am having here, CDB, and here this is CBA. Now just put the rest of the thing, fill it up. Now we can say in these two triangles, CDB is equal to CBA, which is equal to 90 degree. Angle C is equal to angle C, common. Therefore, triangle CDB similar to triangle CBA by AA similarity. Hence, their corresponding sides will be proportional. BD by AB is equal to BC by BC, which is equal to BC by AC. Now, BC is the common in two, so we take those two corresponding sides where some sides are common for me. So, we take them. moving this. Now, once again, I just consider these two. DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. Cross multiply. This is DC into AC is equal to BC square. Equation number 2. Now, we simply add both the equation. Equation 1 and 2. Let us simply add them. So, now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So, what I am going to get? AD into AC plus DC into AC, which is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now, here AC is common on the right hand side. We just remove the common factor here. AC on removing, I left out with AD plus DC, which is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AD plus DC? AD plus DC is nothing but AC. So, this is AC into AC, which is AB square plus BC square. AC into AC is nothing but AC square. So, you can just simply put that. Now, this is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Hence, we have proved the Pythagoras theorem. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is converse of Pythagoras theorem. So, here we have been given AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have to prove that angle B is 90 degree. So, construction. So, only this first triangle is given. Second triangle we have to construct DEF such that angle E is 90 degree and DE should be the equal length of AB and EF is of the equal length of BC. Now, let us take proof. In triangle DEF, angle E is 90 degree by construction. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, I can say here DF square is equal to DE square plus EF square. But by construction, we have also did that DE and AB are equal, EF and BC are equal. So, I shall say here in place of DE, I can put AB square and here BC square by construction. In construction, we have taken this also. But we have also given, what is given? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is given to me. Suppose if I call this as 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 DF square and AC square will come equal. So, we just continue with that. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, DF square is equal to AC square. That means DF is equal to AC. This will be my equation 3. Now, let us take the two triangles and prove the similarities. So, what we got? We got DF and AC are equal, which is what we got here. Now, we take the two triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF. AB and DE are equal. BC and EF are equal by construction. Now, we got DF and AC are also equal. So, I can say AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF by construction. Now, AC is equal to DF from 3. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF by SSS similarity. SSS similarity, corresponding angles must be equal now. So angle B is equal to angle E, which is 90 degree, which implies angle B is 90 degree. Hence, converse of the Pythagoras is proved. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any particular sum to be solved, put it in the comment box. I try to make a video on that.